What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get kills in Kingshot. So you might be wondering how to exactly get kills here in Kingshot. Well, to be speaking, in order for you to defeat someone, or in this case, attack someone on Kingshot, you need to access the world map. So usually at the bottom right of the screen, you go and just click on world. And you should be able to see all the resources and also the other players in here. Now, to be speaking, they should have their name in here. So if you want to attack or get a kill here in Kingshot, you just need to click on it. Now, there are a few things here that you need to understand before actually attacking someone. Now, first, it is recommended that you scout them first. Now, scouting here allows you to see how or what's the current status of that player, what are the defenses, any information that you may want to know regarding that player. But if you want to attack that specific player, you could just click on the attack button here, and that should initiate an attack. Now, obviously, I would recommend you to attack someone that has a lower power level than you. Now, in this case, as you can see right now, this is the power level for this user is above or way above mine as of right now with this account. As you can see, right now I have like 76,000 with my account, and this one has like a 1,700,000 with his or her account here. So yeah, so in this case, I would recommend you to first scout your target first, and once you know further regarding the account, you can go and just start attacking them if your account can actually basically support that. But then again, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.